Totoo ba ang spirit guides? Oo, besh. Hindi sila gawa-gawa lang. Think of them as your cosmic support team. Parang meron kang personal life coach, guardian, at BFF. Pero nasa higher dimension. Ang role nila? To guide, protect, and remind you of your soul's purpose. Hindi sila nandito para kontrolin ka ha. Ikaw pa rin ang bida at driver ng journey mo. Pero sila yung nagsasuggest ng best route. Parang ways for the soul. In 500 meters, iwasan ang toxic X, rerouting. Paano sila nagpaparamdam? Through gut feelings or intuition, yung tipong bigla kang may alam without logical reason. Sa panaginip, minsan disguised as random characters, minsan obvious. Synchronicities, repeating numbers, songs na tumatama sa moment, or random strangers na may dalang mensahe, signs in nature. Feathers, butterflies, or even animals na paulit-ulit nagpapakita. At yes, bawat isa sa atin may iba't ibang spirit guides. Yung iba ancestors, yung iba elemental beings, at yung iba advanced souls na naka-assign sa'yo for this lifetime. Totoo sila kasi. Energy doesn't die, it transforms. Guides are just souls on a higher frequency na nakatune in sa'yo. Always ready to whisper, kaya mo yan, huwag kang matakot. Lesson: spirit guides are real. Hindi sila para gawing decision maker mo, pero sila yung gentle push na kailangan mo kapag feeling lost ka. Listen, trust, and co-create your journey with them. 8.